Okay, now it's time to install the Schluter-DITRA mat. So it's what goes on top of your floor. So remember we did plywood floor on top of the subfloor, and now we're doing what's called the underlayment. And in this case, it's the Schluter-DITRA mat, because we're going to be running some heating cables as well. Alright, so here's the Schluter-DITRA mat. You'll notice that all of them are round as opposed to the old DITRA, which were square. So the round is specifically for the wire cable so that it can go whatever direction you want it to go. So if you want to go over and up and around and through, you just do whatever you need to, and that's what this gives you the versatility to do as you would wish. Really nice to have because the cable clicks in, and if you do make a mistake and you realize you went the wrong way or you spaced them out differently, you can always just really easy pull it out and then go back and do it again. We'll get to show you how to do the heating cable, but that's one of the reasons why I use this product. Schluter-DITRA, in my mind, is the best way to go for any underlayment when it comes to tiling. It definitely is more expensive option, but way better. Never have callbacks, never have problems with cracks. As long as the subfloor is done properly, then this stuff will do the rest. And we'll get to cutting it. So what I did is I pre-measured, and I'm gonna get at the scissors, because all you need is either scissors or a knife, and then you cut it, and that's all there is to it. You don't have to take it outside, you don't have to worry about getting safety equipment on, you just go ahead and cut. So here we go. Alright, so you can see how easy it is to cut. So once you have your piece cut, you dry lay it, set it down wherever you want it. And I would highly recommend, if at all possible, you try to work either in a bigger room or put things out of the room before you keep going. It can get pretty cumbersome no matter what you do. So just make sure you don't overcrowd yourself, which is a biggie, which is what I'm doing right now. Get this out of the way. Put this down. So when we're ready, we will take the mortar, put it down on the floor, and then we'll stick the DITRA mat on top of the mortar and press it in. We'll be getting to that soon.